Hello and welcome back to Get Great at Maths. I'm here to help you pass your maths exam, so hit that like and subscribe button. We're going to look at keywords, key formulas and how to gain top marks. So let's get ready to get great at maths. This is a question on subtraction. Now don't be put off because there is a box before the question. When you do subtraction or any equation, if you work out the answer to this question here, the answer could be put on the left or it could be put on the right. Normally see it on the right, but it is exactly the same if you put it on the left. So basically you've got to work out the answer to 9,171, take away 530. Answer needs to go in this box here, and this will give you 1 mark in the exam. So your key facts are that you need to use columns when you're subtracting. So use your columns when you subtract. Remember your thousands, your hundreds, your tens and your ones columns. Make sure they all line up. And then you're going to start with the ones on the right hand side. So this is your ones column, your tens, your hundreds and your thousands. And remember, if you can't subtract the number, so for example it was 2 take away 5, you can't do that. Then you have to borrow from the next number at the top. So I will show you how to do that on this question. Now press pause, get yourself a pen, paper, have a go at writing down the answer to this and showing your working as to how you get the answer, and then press play when you're ready to hear the answer. Fantastic. So hopefully you've managed to come up with an answer. So to start with, we're going to write it out in column notation with the hundreds, the thousands, the hundreds, the tens and the ones all above each other, and we're going to start on the right hand side. So nice easy start because we've want 1 take away 0, which is just 1. Then I've got 7 take away 3. So if you need to count on from 3 to get to 7 is 4. So 7 take away 3 is 4. Next we've got 1 take away 5. Now you cannot do 1 take away 5 because 5 is bigger than the 1. So you would go into negative numbers. So to deal with that, we have to borrow from this 9. So this 9 is a 9,000, but we're going to borrow from there, take 1 10 away from that 9,000 to make it an 8. And then the 10 comes into this column here to make it 11. So I've got 11 take away 5, which is 6. And I've got 8 take away 0 is 8. So your answer is 8,641. Make sure you write it in the box, and remember after your thousands you can put a little comma in to show the difference between the thousands and the other numbers you've got there. Make sure your comma's nice and small so it doesn't look like a 1. The mark scheme on this question shows the answer is 8,641 for 1M, which means 1 method mark. If you found this video useful, please share, tell your friends and like and subscribe, and so we can all get great at maths. Thanks for listening. If you've enjoyed this video, please don't forget to share, like and subscribe. Please follow Get Great at Maths on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook and X. What do you want to see next on Get Great at Maths? Please comment below. See you next time.